Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, A Life in High Definition. How are we all doing? I hope you're fine and dandy and enjoying your bank holiday. I have been getting a bit too much sun, oops, but now I know sun cream tomorrow. I hope you are staying sun safe. I was nearly this colour earlier. Oh, look at this, it's a Look Fantastic box. Is it this that we're unboxing today? Was that a really bad link? Probably. Anyway. If you would like to see what is in this month's Look Fantastic box, if it's any good and whether you want to get one for yourself, you need to just give me a big thumbs up. Let me know you enjoy these videos. You can subscribe to my channel and join my High Def family because lots of people are and I'm appreciating every single one. And you can of course hit that notification bell so you know when I upload and share this video so everyone gets some beautiful bright colours in their life. Alright, let's get into the video. So this month, Look Fantastic have come out with this glorious multicoloured box. Look at it. It's just so beautiful. And it's making me feel bright and summery and very happy. Look Fantastic is £15 a month. I think you can get it slightly cheaper if you buy 3 or 6 or 9 month deals. But it's basically £15 a month. So shall we open up the box and see what's inside? I'm just going to lift the lid down here because it's too much to do it any other way. So this month says Han Yoku, the act of walking on tiptoes on warm sand. So every month in your Look Fantastic box you get this, which is a booklet, and it does tell you about your items but not the prices, but more than that it has beauty tips and tricks and advice in here, so it's like a little mini magazine. Also you always get a small copy of Elle magazine. This Elle magazine that's out at the moment comes with a Nails Ink nail polish if you buy it in stores. So if you want just that, you can do that. But this is worth like £4.40 or something. Yeah, £4.40. So that's almost £5 off our box already. And then we have the goodies. Oh, I lost something. 1 second. Who knew paper could be such a hazard? Well, here we go. What do we think? Does it look good? Ooh, interesting. Okay, right. So, this is Discover this month's theme, Beauty Bazaar. May is all about adding a bold splash of vibrancy to your beauty collection. So we've selected 6 products bursting with character and ingredients to prepare you for the summer season. In this edition, we explore the effects of tropical oils, the power of flowers and tanning without the sun. We also introduce Emma Hardy and her award-winning skincare range. So let's brighten your month and give you that ultimate glow, the BIRCHBOX team. Now Emma Hardy did the Moringa cleansing balm, which I tried out and did a video. I'll just put a link to it up there so you can watch it now and come back or later. But it was really, really good. I do recommend it. So I'm excited to hear more about her. And then we've got contents, what's in the box. But let's just dip our hands in. Let's start with what jumped out. Oh, teeth whitening strips by Spotlight. Love your smile. It says avoid use in pregnant patients, not suitable if you're under 18 or if you've got ulcers, exposed gums or after oral operation. Just in case, don't buy this box if you're in that situation. So it's got 8 sachets. Each sachet looks like that. Well, this is so a video in the making. I've been looking for something for teeth whitening and thinking about all different kinds of ways. There was oil rinsing. Have you heard of that? I've seen that. I was thinking about it, but now I've got this, which is exciting. So these best-selling whitening strips have been specially formulated by dentists and are clinically proven to safely whiten your teeth with minimal tooth sensitivity. The easy-to-use strips sit comfortably and perfectly to the contour of your teeth, whilst the hydrogen peroxide breaks down any complex external stains, penetrating the top layer of the enamel to reveal a natural pearly white smile. Great, exciting. So I'm happy about those. Uh-oh. If anyone has watched my BIRCHBOX video or is about to, you will see that I've shown you this already. So this is Ico London. That's where I draw the line. I do eyeliner. And it's a lovely black eyeliner. I happen to know because I just got another one of these out of my Harper Bazaar magazine. At the moment that magazine, I think it's £4.60, and they're doing a full size one of these for which is worth £16. It has a black tip like this, and it does lines like this, thick ones like that. The only thing I have to say is, this one says it's waterproof, but I did manage to smudge it by just wiping it with my thumb. But hey ho, these things happen. Don't rub your eyes when you've got eyeliner on, basically. This is really the type of eyeliner that I like though, because I like the felt tip pen style. So it says, a black liquid liner with a taper precision tip. This waterproof eyeliner glides effortlessly across the eyes in one simple sweep, allowing you to create subtle thin lines or dramatic cat eyes. Expect professional controlled application and superior colour payoff that even Alexa Chung raves about. For a smoky eye, blend out the liner with an eyeshadow brush while still wet. That's its top tip. Right, what have we got next? Let's go with this. Oh, this looks nice. This is a sleek makeup face contour kit, pressed contouring powder and highlighter in one. And this is in medium. It says, this iconic duo compact is an essential tool for achieving a beautifully sculptured and defined appearance. This unique compact includes a matte, easy to blend contour powder and an illuminating highlighter. Okay, let's get this open. Let's see if it's any good. Hopefully medium should work on me. I'm not sure, but we'll find out. What does the information say? It says, this gorgeous duo compact is perfect for contouring cheekbones and adding shimmer to illuminate your face and create a flawless finish to your makeup. Oh, this is nice. It has a little mirror. These are the two colours. I'm not sure if that is like the most amazing highlight I've ever seen. And although that says contour, it's quite, I don't know, warm, bronzery brown for me, maybe. I don't know. Maybe it's the same as what I use, I don't know. I mean, that is too much. I'm sorry. I apologise. Too much contour. Just hide that side of my face. Sorry, this makeup is from another video that I didn't go quite right, but we'll carry on because, you know, once it's on, it seems a shame just to take it all off. I'm really not sure about that highlighter though. I suppose there is a bit of shine, isn't there? I'll have to try it. I think I'll try it in person. If I don't like it, well, you know where it'll go. Right, what have we got next? We've got 6 items, so we're halfway through. Next we have something teeny tiny. This is Age Defy RNA Radical Firmness Anti-Aging Serum. Always good. This is a teeny 5ml, oh, so small that I nearly lost it. It's a teeny 5ml sample. And what does it say? Harnessing the potent power of RNA and arginine's antioxidant properties to give your skin some well-deserved TLC. This lightweight serum helps your skin radically combat signs of aging, from wrinkles to sagging skin and even brown spots. The formula leaves skin visibly firmer and healthier. For maximum absorption, be sure to wash your face with tepid water before applying your serum, then tone and exfoliate. What? Wash your face and then before applying your serum, then tone and exfoliate? Isn't serum supposed to go on afterwards? Like, wouldn't you tone, exfoliate and then put serum on? Or exfoliate and tone even, that way around, and then put serum on? Let me know down below. Am I doing it all wrong? I thought serum was supposed to sit in your skin, not be wiped off with exfoliant. Let me know. Next up we have an old favourite. This, from This Works, In Transit. Camera close up mask, moisturiser and primer all in one. It's very nice. It does what it says. I don't know how much difference it makes as a primer, but as a nice moisturiser that you can feel like, oh, I've primed my skin by putting this on. It does work well. What does it say? It says, get ready for your close-up, a travel-sized gem that evens, plumps and brightens your skin. The product is a mask, moisturiser and primer all in one. It contains a powerful blend of repairing plant oils as well as a boost of caffeine to erase signs of fatigue, making your skin look radiant. It can also double as a lip liner to lock and bold lipstick and stop it from bleeding. We like to apply this with a flat tip brush to get a clean line. Sounds very interesting. Never thought of doing that before, so it's good to have some extra beauty tips. Last item is this. And you know I love a mask, so I'm super happy. So never heard of this brand, but it's a bubble purifying and charcoal face mask sheet. Made from activated charcoal, when exposed to air, the oxygenating mask begins to bubble and foam, diving deep into the skin's pores, eliminating impurities. Fruit acids exfoliate dead skin cells for a bright, fresh and luminous complexion. Excellent, from Skin Republic. This is not one that takes your makeup off though, so if you're wondering, because some of them do, some of them don't. This one does not. Use it once a week ideally. Okay, what does it say? So the information basically says exactly what I've just read off the packet. So not too much further to go into that, but very nice. Let's have a look at these products. Well, I'm going to use everything. Apart from maybe the eyeliner, but that's only because I got an extra one by accident. That's not Look Fantastic's fault. I'd be very happy to receive that eyeliner generally, and I might still keep it because, you know, with these felt tip pen type ones, they can, once they're exposed to air and stuff, they can dry up a bit. So it's always good to have a backup. But yeah, I like everything in this box. It's really good. So let's just do a little tally of everything. And this month's box is worth a grand total of £72.22. £72.22. That's amazing. Like, this box cost me £15 and it's £72.22. So that's what, almost 5 times the box. That is pretty damn good. I'm very happy and I like everything. You cannot complain at that. Win, win, win for me, I think. Thank you so much for watching May's Look Fantastic unboxing. I hope you will join me next month. I probably will get it based on it just being pretty good. And let me know what you think of everything down below and whether you would want one too. Until you see me next time, I hope you live every moment well and take care of yourselves. Bye guys.